Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Jar vacuum sealer. Suitable for two types of mason jars. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer contains two sizes of mouth seals for your daily use. To get the standard mouth seal jar, simply insert the red arrow on the standard mouth seal converter. Align it with the unlock symbol on the main unit, and then insert it inside the silicone ring in the wide mouth seal area and tighten it clockwise. At this point, the arrow is aligned with the lock symbol, which indicates a successful installation. For all your vacuum sealing needs, includes an electric vacuum sealer containing a wide mouth sealer, a standard mouth seal converter, 5 wide mouth mason jar lids, and 5 regular mouth mason jar lids, and user guide. Our food vacuum sealer kit will help you. Kitchen tongs. Top quality. Hotech kitchen tongs are constructed with high-quality stainless steel, sturdy, heat resistance, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, lightweight, easy to handle, like new forever. This tongs for cooking comes with two sizes, 9-inch and 12-inch. Food safe, carbon-free certified. Easy to store. These kitchen tongs have locking mechanism, pull the ring for lock and push for unlock. Super easy operation. Hang them with the hanging loop after use or put in the drawer by pulling the ring to lock it. Space saving. Engineering for safety. Updated new design pattern for the handle. Better protects your hands from cutting by the edge when you grip the handle. Easy to control the handle and to eliminate wobbling and any risk of burning your hands. Mesh strainer set. Seal steel ring, long handle. All sizes of fine mesh strainer feature a sturdy wire frame and have rust-proof screens. Securely attached long handle increase the loading capacity and protect you from scalding when removing the noodles from boiling water. 3 most popular sizes. 2.8-inch strainer for tea, quinoa, or coffee. 4.7-inch strainer for powder sugar, cocoa powder, and 7.87 strainer for quinoa, pasta. A kitchen must have all your straining, sieving, sifting, filtering, and rinsing tasks. No wasted food. The strainer's fine mesh nets easily catch and sift, strain or drain the small ingredients. Musum rice cooker. Easy to serve. Just through pressing the single push button, a one-touch operation, the cooker makes the cooked rice served quickly in a short time, as 19 mins for 2 cups uncooked rice. Time varies for different rice and rice amount, saving cooking time a lot. Capacity. Perfect cooking up to 3 cup uncooked, 6 cup cooked capacity. Perfect for individual, growing family. Auto warmer. The cooker stops when the rice is ready and automatically switches to keep warm for more than 24 hours, maintaining the good taste of the cooked rice. Food grade guarantee. The inner pot features a ceramic non-stick coating, ensuring food grade safety. Accessories. This cooker includes a durable ceramic mixing bowls, premium material. Each bowl is made of high-quality, heavy-gauge stainless steel, which is resistant and rust-proof. Umite Chef mixing bowls feature a mirror finish interior and fingerprint-proof exterior. High-quality food-grade stainless steel. You and your family can use it with peace of mind. Larger bowl sizes. Our stainless bowls, deeper than standard bowl sets, allow for larger servings. This set contains sizes 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.5, 7 quarts. That gives you much more flexibility and less mess. Satisfy your demands for mixing large batters, tossing salads, washing vegetable, marinating and storing, etc. Sink drain basket. Upgrade superior material. Over the sink colander, made of food-grade Suez 304 stainless steel, durable, rust-proof, and corrosion-resistant, with thickened material, bearing up to 450 pounds and not to deformed. Compared to ordinary plastic silicone sink baskets, it has stronger load-bearing capacity and no easy-to-broken, service life of up to 10 years. In addition, it has excellent heat resistance and can be directly heated, more practical. Lemon squeezer. Less effort, more juice. Get maximum juice out of lemons with this lemon squeezer that is easy on hands and requires just a gentle squeeze. It is designed with a grooved bowl that allows for maximum extraction. With a built-in strainer, this lime squeezer allows all the juice to pass through smoothly while catching the seeds and pulp. Save time and space. Having a glass of lemonade or making a delicious marinade takes just a few seconds. Milk frother. Make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte. You know your tastes best. Note: packaging may vary. Non-stick turner. Professional grade for home cooks. Meticulously crafted from premium material for unparalleled durability and resilience to high temperatures without getting damaged. Durable enough for restaurants, but designed to make flipping while frying, sautéing, and grilling at home easier than ever before. Precision in every flip, this wide-slotted turner is perfect for cooking a variety of meals. Whether it's delicate eggs, sizzling fish, meaty burgers, or fluffy pancakes, it allows you to fry and flip with ease, ensuring your creations are cooked just the way you desire. Potato masher. High-quality stainless steel material. Made of high-quality stainless steel heavy materials and have the ability to resistant stains, corrosion, and deformation, it is very durable. Easier for you to prepare food for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Ergonomic handle design. Extended handle measures 11.5 inches, 29 centimeters long, designed for easy leverage so you feel very comfortable to use. No need to quarter or half cut the potatoes. Extra large bowl can handle large potatoes for nearly 3 cups. No need to slice the potato in half anymore. Put it all in, simply press the lever and done. Microwave food cover. Perfect match. Electroc microwave food cover and mat tench. Mat is bowl holder to grab food immediately. Cover to keep clean microwave top and 4 sides. Mat to keep clean glass turntable. And with the mat, no burning, no waiting. Multi-purpose. Microwave cover as colander and washing basket for vegetables and fruits. Multi-purpose mat as microwave mat, silicone trivet, pot holder, utensils rest, placemat, hot pad, jar opener, coffee coaster, burger press. Food-grade press and heavy-duty cast iron. Avoid harmful PTFE or PFOA chemicals that other presses use with our food-grade iron cookware. The Bellman Bacon Press might just be the most indestructible cooking tool you use. Made with heavy-duty cast iron, the press can also be seasoned like cast iron skillets to create a non-stick surface. Equalized weight distribution for perfect grill marks every time. Preheat your beautiful first grill press on the pan. Then apply the equalized heavy pressure to your food of choice for a short time. Wine opener. Rechargeable electric wine bottle opener. Easily remove corks in seconds. Compatible with most wine bottle sizes. Open up to 30 bottles on a single charge. Easy to use. Simply place on top of your wine bottle, press a button, and tada, your wine is open and ready to serve. Small footprint. Saves space. Our electric wine bottle opener is small enough to store discreetly away when not in use. Keep the charging base next to your wine fridge, storage rack, credenza, etc. Makes an amazing present. An elegant color makes our electric wine bottle opener an attractive present, or use it at home when catering, at banquets, in restaurants, or behind the bar.